Do you want to know what your baby is doing in heaven? Hi, my name is Joy. I'm with Breaking Curses 101, and I'm going to be doing baby dedications today. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. So today, I'm going to read about 6 babies that were dedicated. Don't ask me what those weird noises are. I don't know what these people are doing. Anyway. Alright, so this woman had 5 abortions. She does have children today and completely regrets it. I don't judge anybody. And God doesn't either. Alright? She's forgiven. Totally forgiven. And I just want to talk about these babies. Oh my goodness. It's so amazing. So, the first baby, okay, like I said, she had five abortions, but there were 6 babies because there was a set of twins there. So the first baby, she had serious spirit spouse issues, man. Serious spirit spouse issues. But she didn't know it. Spirit spouses, they have demands, and a lot of times it's blood, okay? So the first baby is named Kendra, and she likes to play volleyball in heaven. And she would have been an athlete if she had come to earth, if she had been born. Isn't that wild? The second baby, we had to fight for this name. For some reason, there was a conflict there, and we had to do some spiritual warfare before she could even hear the name of the child. But she heard the name. It's a boy, and his name is Corey. She saw him as a toddler, hanging, and they were in front of a fire truck. Like, she was showing him a fire truck. So, Corey likes to read in heaven. I said, what do you like to read, Corey? He likes to read anything. And he would have been an attorney if he had come to earth. And Corey actually gave her a bouquet of balloons, like a set of balloons. And when she saw herself take them in the spirit realm, she heard him say, let it go. I mean, let go of the pain. And she saw herself release the balloons in the air, and the pain left with it. It was so awesome. I can't make this stuff up. I never would have, my imagination would have never gone there. So the third baby, what in the world are they doing? I'm sorry. The third baby, or the third abortion, happened to be 2 babies. They were both girls. The first baby was Courtney, and she said the angels took her into their arms when she was aborted. And she likes to swim in heaven. And if she had been born, she would have been a nurse. And then her twin sister is named Carly. And in heaven, she likes to swim as well with her sister. And if she had come to earth, she would have been a nurse as well. Is that the coolest thing or what? Twin girls. So this woman's going to get to see all of her babies in heaven. And we having a date to, I'm going to come over to her mansion and hang out with her family. And I hope she gets to come to hang out with my family. Now, the 5th baby is a girl. Her name is Deidre. She likes to run track. And the woman saw her. She had curly hair and great eyes. And she was wearing overalls. She wasn't one of those prissy little chicks. Okay. And if she had been born, she would have been a nurse as well. Just like her 2 sisters. Now, baby number 6. Baby number 6. We had to do battle. She couldn't see herself holding this baby. I was like, what in the world is going on? So I was doing some spiritual warfare. coming up against, satanic opposition. And Baal showed up. Baal said, this sacrifice, this abortion, this baby, this abortion allowed him to bring in mental illness over the family. And that is what attacks one of her kids right now to this day. So Baal also brought in fear, shame, and guilt. So we were able to get rid of Baal, cast him out, and then she was able to see her child. His name is Jeremy. Jeremy likes to ride a bike in heaven, and if he had been born, he would have been a computer programmer. Isn't that awesome? And that is it for this baby dedication. Do not abort your kids. Your kids have a purpose. And your provision will come after that baby is born. Just like Mary and Joseph, God gave them gold, frankincense, myrrh, everything they needed. And then told them escape, because Herod's coming to kill your baby. Just like that, God is going to provide for you. And He's going to give you supernatural guidance for your child. All right? You can email me, like, comment, subscribe, share. Please share this video. And I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye.